To enable two-factor authentication on Robinhood, start by opening the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Navigate to the account icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen, and tap on it. This will take you to the account settings page. From the account settings page, scroll down to the security section and select two-factor authentication. You will be presented with two options: either to use an authenticator app or receive a verification code via SMS. If you choose to use an authenticator app, you will be required to scan a QR code using the app. This will generate a unique verification code that you will need to enter to complete the setup process. Alternatively, if you choose to receive a verification code via SMS, you will be sent a code to the phone number associated with your account. You will need to enter this code to complete the setup process. Once you have completed the setup process, two-factor authentication will be enabled on your Robinhood account. This means that every time you log into your account, you will be required to enter a verification code in addition to your password. It is highly recommended that you enable two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account to add an extra layer of security and protect your investments. This will prevent unauthorized access to your account, even if your password is compromised. In addition to enabling two-factor authentication, it is also a good idea to use a strong and unique password. And to keep your account information up to date, by following these best practices, you can help to ensure the security of your Robinhood account and protect your investments. By enabling two-factor authentication on your Robinhood account, you can have peace of mind knowing that your account is more secure and that your investments are better protected. This is a simple and effective way to add an extra layer of security to your account, and it is highly recommended that you take this step to protect your financial information.